At 254 Repair, we can repair your broken iPhone 5 screen in under 3 minutes. First, we remove the bottom two pentalobe screws. Next, carefully, with a nice sesame tool, we remove your broken screen. With a precision screwdriver, we remove the electromagnetic shield that is covering the LCD, digitizer, and front-facing camera circuit. Following that, carefully we remove the LCD, digitizer, and front-facing camera connectors. At 254 Repair, we carry fully assembled screens in order to speed up the repair process without hindering the quality of our work. Other shops will swap all small components, which extend the time of the repair. Additionally, if your frame is damaged, we have the tools to straighten it up and make it look like before you drop it. Now we are reversing the process. After replacing the plates, now we're going to carefully place your screen back in place. And the final step is to replace the two bottom screws. All our repairs carry our 90-day warranty. Call us now for a quote on your screen replacement. Thank you very much for watching.